We'll guide you through how to make a decal in Roblox. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll be guiding you through step by step, so let's get started. First of all, go to the top of Roblox and click on Create. You should be brought here. If you aren't, just type in create.roblox.com, then come over to the left and go and click on Creations, like so. At the top of Creations, go over to the right and select Development Items. And you can then go and select decals, just like so. And what you need to do is go and click on Upload Asset. You'll be brought to this page. Now we can go and upload our decal. Here are the formats it can be. We can go and click on Upload and find the image you want to go and use and go and select Open. As you can see a preview. You can change or remove it. Now go and give it a name. After you've given it a name, you can go and add in a description. When you're ready, you can scroll down and click on Upload, and it will go and be uploaded. You can see it here. What you can do is go and click on it, and you can then go and add some social links and choose if you want it to be on the Creator Store. If we come back, you can hover over it and click on the three dots in the top right. You can open up the asset details or copy the ID. I'll open them up here. And what you can do is you can then grab the link at the top here.